Hello everyone. In this week's video, we're looking further on to how to make easy money using Forex EAs. There are millions of EAs on the market at the moment, but most of them are lacking the correct backtesting, or even where there is enough backtesting is on demo accounts, which the spreads are different and that's not the real picture. In the video we found from Expert Forex, Alex is using his Make Money EA with really impressive and promising results, and also he's using real money to test the EA and not demo accounts. But enough of me talking, I'll leave it to Alex to do the rest. Enjoy!
Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're looking at the Make Money Forex trading robot and the fantastic results that it is achieving. Now, why is the Make Money EA so efficient? It is a with the trend trader. So what it does, it has a great entry criteria. It has two moving averages, and these two moving averages must point in the same direction for trades to happen. So it has to be with the trend. The ADX is a trend indicator that tells you, yes, a trend is in fact happening, and those two things have to align to confirm an entry. It also only trades certain times of the day, and because this is a trending indicator, you want to trade in the most volatile time of day when the price really moves a lot. It has a limit on the number of open trades, and what's more, you can lock in your profits using trailing stops and dynamic stops and targets. It works in trending markets on high volatility currencies, so you want a currency that really moves dramatically. And what's also great about it, it is a nice hedge against sideways strategies. So that's a little bit of an introduction to the Make Money EA, and let's have a look at the actual results that we're achieving and the strategies that we're using and the settings that are producing these great results. Now, just a reminder that past results are not a guarantee of future success, and using the settings that I'm going to show you will not guarantee future success, but they are a good guide to what works. So let's have a look at the first one. The first one is the pound USD. It trades during the hours of 7 to 11, which is basically the European market opening, and it trades on a 5-minute time frame. What does that mean? It means that every 5 minutes the EA will look at the indicators and say, oh, I'm getting a signal, and it will trade. So it trades very rapidly, and here are the results that have been achieved, and that's been achieved in a period of 57 days. A 74% return, fantastic return has been achieved in those 57 days on a real account. And let's have a look at the strategy that's being used. Now, as I said, there are two moving averages. The one is 10 and the other one is 36, and then there is the ADX setting of 45, looking back only 10 periods. So we're basically telling the EA those are the settings you must use to determine entries. Then it trades in the same direction of the trigger. And I'm just going to cover the major settings, and it starts with a lot size of 0.02. The stop, so it trades with a fixed stop of 85 pips, and it has a take profit of 90 pips. It doesn't use a break even or a trailing stop and a dynamic stop, so it can most probably improve the results because of that. And as I said, it trades from 7 to 11, which is the European Open. So now we've seen one really successful strategy generating 74% in only 57 days. Let's have a look at some others. And here's the Aussie USD. It has done 30% in also the same period, about 37 days. You can see it started trading on the 12th of September on a real account. Nice positive open trades, positive closed trades, really nice performance. And let's have a look at the strategy used by the Aussie. So the moving averages are 18 and 27. They both have to be pointing in the same direction, and the ADX is using a 4 setting, which is very fast, and a 20 level setting, which is very sensitive. So in other words, this one compared to the previous one, this one will give signals a lot faster because of the ADX setting. trades in the same direction as the trigger, and same lot sizing, and you can see the the stops and targets are slightly higher. It also doesn't use any of the the following stops, and it trades from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, which again is the European. It's more closer to the UK opening on a 5-minute chart. Okay, so you starting to get a feel of the strategies that are involved, how the settings fit into place, and how they generate these fantastic results. Okay, so the next one is the Euro USD. It trades during the hours of 6 to 2000 hours, and that covers the European and the US Open, but it trades on a 15-minute chart, so it's slightly slower. It's generated a 32% return on a real account over the 57 days, and here are the settings: 18 and 36 for the moving averages, 16 and 40 for the ADX. So when the ADX is high, it won't trade as often as when it's low. It trades in the same direction. Lots are 0.02, and there are the stops and targets, the same for same stop and same target, 120 pips, and they don't use the trailing stops or dynamic stops. Okay, now you have another strategy to consider. Then we have the USD CAD. That's generated 23% return over the 57 days, and on a real account. Also nice open trades, nice closed trades. There are the settings: 12 and 48. The ADX is 16 and 35, and they trade in the same direction. 0.02 is the starting lots, and here we have a stop that is bit bigger than the target, 120 pip stop, 180 pip target, and as I said earlier, it trades from 6 o'clock to 1800 hours, which is the European and the US Open on a 15-minute chart. And then let's look at the last one. The last one is another pound USD trading. It trades from 7 o'clock to 1300 hours, which is basically the European when the European session is open on its own on a 15-minute chart. It's generated 56% return in 54 days, and it has a nice current open trade balance of $12 there. So again, let's have a look at the moving averages. Now these ones are a lot faster. They 6 and 12. The ADX is faster, 8 and 25. So these are very, what I would call fast settings. In other words, they're sensitive settings. They generate a lot of trades. You can see here 2.2 trades a day, and trade in the same direction as the trigger, and the stops are 95 and the target is 105. So slightly higher target, and it doesn't use the trailing stops at all. Okay, so now that you have a good feel of the potential of this Make Money trading robot, you can go to the web page, and it is on your screen at the moment, and you can learn a little bit more about how these trading signals occur, and also this is an opportunity for you to purchase the Make Money EA. There's many deals. You'll have to look at the bottom of the page for them. There's various deals for YouTube subscribers, existing clients, and so on. The other alternative is we have a bundle running at the moment, a really great bundle, which includes the Make Money, and it includes the original Make Money, which I've just shown you now, and the day trader version, which is specific for day trading. It tends to close deals at the end of the day and so on. And you can basically get this for within a basket with the RSI envelope, the trend trade, the moving average multiplier, and the double in a day EA. You can get it in a basket for an 80% discount. Great discount. And then we throw in a few bonuses along with that. So that's the other alternative way that you can purchase the Make Money EA. And then the other way is, if you don't want to actually do the trading yourself, you can go to our link to success service and find traders that are trading the Make Money EA. At the moment, you will not find traders that are trading it. We are going to be adding many of the Make Money EA results to the link to success service in the next 2 weeks. So be patient and have a look at this link to success service, and you'll see a lot of Make Money accounts appearing in that particular service. And just a reminder, the Expert Forex live account broker is Exclusive Markets. And you can see some of the reasons why we use Exclusive Markets. They provide exceptional products, but also exceptional service. So when you use this link, you are linked to our personal account manager, and he will look after you. Furthermore, we use Dipgate as our VPS provider. We have 8 accounts running, and we are incredibly happy with the service and support provided by Dipgate. Now, it's important that you use this code, Expert Forex 20, to get a 20% discount on any VPS services that you enroll for. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope I've made you aware of a trading strategy with the trend trading strategies that uses moving averages and the ADX indicator to make sure that the trend is firmly in place before it trades. If you have any questions, please raise them in the YouTube questions facility, and also any links that you might need will be provided in the description of the video as well as in the first commentary. So from me, Alex Deploy, thank you for watching, and cheerio. Just a quick disclaimer, this video has been made as an educational, entertaining and informative video for its viewers. It is not personal advice, and what works for some traders might not work for you. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. Trading is very risky and you can lose all your capital. It is not a get-rich scheme. Past results do not guarantee future results. There is no guarantee of easy success or good results in Forex trading. You cannot achieve the same results in the future by simply copying strategies and settings used by other traders in the past. Just a reminder to join our Expert Forex community of over 30,000 Forex traders. It is free, so don't miss out on any new developments. A link is in the description of the video.
If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos and also help the channel grow. Thank you.